This is the perfect example of a problem you should not be using Desmos on. This problem says for the exponential function g, the table shows 4 values of x and their corresponding values of g of x. Which equation defines g? So basically we're asking, when we plug in these values of x into one of these formulas, one of them is going to spit out the proper g of x values, the other ones aren't. So which one is going to spit out the proper values? So the way I would do this is I would just start with the 0 and plug it in and see which equations spit out a 1, because 0 is the easiest thing to plug in. So I'm going to try it. Negative 25 to the 0 is 1. That one passes the test. Negative, 1 over 25. Anything with a 0 in the exponent is going to change it to 1, but this one is actually going to become negative 1 because it's negative 1 over 25 to the 0. That becomes negative 1, so that one's out. 25 to the 0 is 1, and 1/25 to the 0 is also 1, so the other 3 are still in the game. Now let's try plugging in 1. The first one just gives us negative 25 to the first power. That's negative 25. That's not 1 over 25, which is what we're looking for. Then 25 to the 1, that doesn't work. And the last one absolutely works. That is our correct answer.